Hi.
How are you? This is what we always hear on Sightseeing.
Everybody down there now. Roberto!
Take you all of these places here, give you time to shop. And our last stop is the beach. We stop there for 15 minutes to take pictures. If you want to swim, we'll leave you there and later on take a taxi back here. That would be for $6 a person. You're not swimming, we take you right back here. It's a rock formation and everything there saying been to hell and back. Yes. This is the only tour we have.
And it's food.
Yes.
Did you get food on the way or while y'all?
Yeah, there's places there where you can get food.
Okay.
When do y'all leave?
We have one getting ready to go now as soon as you guys go. Just start booking.
How long before it leaves? Do I have
10
time to go to the bathroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where's the bathroom?
Right across there.
Okay, thank you.
Let's wait for your receipt.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you can have time.
Okay, and then just come right back here?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. The other side? Can I ride shotgun? Can I ride shotgun? Yeah. They almost made it.
So this morning, guys, your tour will be taking you a drive along the 7 Mile Beach. I will be stopping at our governor's residence and I'll tell you about our governor. From there we go on to one of the oldest homes called the Old Homestead. Stop briefly and tell you about it too. And then from there, we all will be going down to hell, including myself. In hell, you can send yourself a postcard from hell to families and friends, and you must see the formation of the hell rocks. You can also get your passport stamped hell.
Oh.
Uncle Sam don't have a problem with that. We have 10 to 15 minutes in hell. From hell, we go on to the rum cake stop, and there you can sample the different cakes and the different rum they offer you. If you need any alcohol to buy to take back home with you, you order it and they'll send it to the ship for you. The ship does not allow you to take the rum on board. And the reason for that, you're gonna open and start to drink before you get home. And then you won't buy from the ship. Okay?
It's all about the money.
Yeah, all about the money, baby.
Oh. Okay.
No? 11?
Smells good in here. Hi. How is it? You ain't smiling.
Everything, you know, she bake cakes, so.
Oh. Wow, okay.
Oh, okay. I thought you take it from the oh.
We're gonna get it to your boy back home.
Yeah.
Let me get this thing, get back down.
I didn't stay with your mom, but I didn't count.
It's crazy. You should bring us, man.
See my friend carry
I know, but you could bring us, man.
No, we can't carry. You can't
You
go
can,
with that.
no, okay. I understand. I understand.
Yeah.
So that's why it's friend.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah,
And you get
yeah.
upset.
That's why I said to you, speak again.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You get upset. But I'm a fair person, so you know what I'm saying?
Because a lot of people come off commission.
Yeah, it happened already, yes.
Yeah.
It happened already. It's not my first rodeo.
Yeah.
Can I have something?
You want some rum?
Yeah, but we can.
So we have 15 minutes at the rum cake stop, and then we have the Dolphins, we have the turtle farm. Turtle farm is owned and operated by the Cayman Islands government, and they charge you $29 to come inside and see their turtles. So if you want to see them, get my taxi discount for you, which is for $15. If not, or save your money,
turtle center over there. You can pay to go see the turtles, or you can come here free to watch the dolphins. What's this? Oh.
Smell the coconut milk that you smell. Oh. You smell the coconut milk.
And it's $20 for a plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
$15 for chicken.
15? Okay. 18. Let me go dip my toes in this water. Move, chicken. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. How much are they? $20 for 2 chairs and an umbrella? For how long? For the whole day? Okay, let me go do this first.